Hello, folks. I just want to do a little demo on a plugin that I've adapted for my own use, pretty much. It's a Siri Proxy Plugin, and using it, Siri can control Windows Media Center and change your TV channel. You can ask what's playing on a specific channel. You'll get the show name and the description. And then you have the opportunity to change the channel using Siri to whatever channel you want. And also control the music library by saying play a specific album or artist. I created this with the help of Plamoni's Siri Proxy server and Todd Treece's Siri remote control plugin. Now, his remote control plugin uses an arduino that sends IR commands to his television set and cable box, but I just adapted his a little bit to use Windows Media Center. Since I have it connected up to my TV, it's connected to my cable box, it's already got a IR blaster built in, so I just send the commands to the Windows Media Center computer, which takes care of the rest. And the way I'm doing that is using this software called remotepotato, which the description to all the stuff I'm referring to will be links to all the things I'm referring to will be in the description. remotepotato, it's a nifty little piece of Media Center software. He's also got an iPad and iPhone program available. But what that basically does is it gives you the Media Center interface on your iPad, iPod Touch, iPhone, pretty much any or any other web-enabled device. But the thing I'm using his software for is the remotepotato also comes with a IR remote listener, which has a set of HTTP commands that you send it, and it receives it and converts them into signals that the Media Center understands, and that's how I'm able to control my cable box using Siri through Media Center. And a second piece of software that I'm using in my setup is Windows Media Center TCP/IP server, and that's a listener, and it kind of does the same thing, or some of the same things as the remotepotato IR listener, but it's a little bit easier for me to use than the remotepotato software, because I'm not really that great at writing software. I just finished an associate's degree in computer science, so I don't have that much of a background in writing software, and let alone that all of the programming needed for the Siri Proxy is in Ruby, which is very new to me. So I gave it my best shot, and this is what I've come up with so far. So right now, I know it's kind of hard to see. I'm recording this using my iPad, and I try to adjust the lights to the best level in order to get everything. But right now, this is my TV. It's connected up to my Windows Media Center computer, and it's sitting on the desktop screen. And now I'm going to use Siri to open Windows Media Center. Alright. Media Center TV. I think I just sent the wrong command.
Turning on live TV.
Yep, sure did. Okay, I gotta start Media Center first. Here we go. Media Center menu.
Going to main menu.
Okay, there we go. So that specific command used the IR listener program. And from here, I'll just show you how the TV stuff works. All the TV stuff I basically got from Todd Treece's remote control plugin using the Arduino board. But he had a pretty good setup scraping the AOL TV website. So I just need to make a few changes to his code in order to make this work for me. So first I'm going to start live TV. Media Center TV. I don't know if that's readable.
Turning on live TV.
Yeah, it's kind of blurry, but okay. So there we go. So now Media Center, just turn on live TV. This is channel 40 right here. So now there's a few ways to go about this. I hard-coded some of my favorite channels in, so this is for the keywords like Spike TV, History Channel, things like that. Or you could just say the channel number itself. So what I haven't coded in yet is dealing with channels 1 through 9, because so far if you say change the channel to channel 3, it'll interpret your words as 3 being THREE and not the number 3. So I guess I just need to go in and make a series of if statements to take care of that. But I haven't done that yet, so I'll deal with stuff above 10 so it works. Let's see. So first I'll use my one of my keywords. We'll use the History Channel. So what's playing on the History Channel? I don't know if it picked up the extra sound in the room or not. Let me try again. What's on the History Channel?
Here is what's playing on channel 48.
Okay.
Would you like to watch American Restoration?
Yes.
I'm changing the channel to 48.
So there it goes. It changed the channel right now. Okay. So I don't know if you saw the little nifty message box that popped up, but I know that was probably really difficult to see. But it had the channel logo, the show description, and the show name, all in that little box, which is pretty cool. And again, that's credits to Todd Treece for that one. Next, I'll try just changing to a channel number. So let's see what's a good channel. Okay, so we'll change the channel to number 64.
I'm changing the channel to 64.
So this, I just straight up told it to change the channel, so it didn't give me any description or anything like that. So there we go. It changed the channel there, which is pretty cool. So another little cool piece to the TV part of it is, if you ask it what's on the History Channel and you decide you don't like what's playing on the History Channel, it'll ask you Siri will ask you if you want to check another channel, and you can say yes and check whatever channel you want, and you can keep doing that for as long as you want. So that's one thing that's kind of cool. So now I'll show you guys the stuff with the music library, and I just added this yesterday because I found this Windows Media Center TCP/IP server on thegreenbutton.tv in a thread. So I grabbed that and started playing with it to see what I could do with it. So now let's see. We'll start by playing. We'll see if it'll play some AC/DC. So Media Center, play AC/DC. I haven't tested AC/DC, so I don't know if it's going to work. This is still pretty fragile at the moment. So, alright, I think it's picking up the extra noise in the room, so let me try that again. Media Center, play AC/DC. Alright, cool. So this pops up the album art for the artist, that you requested, and there you go. You can see that it popped up there on the screen. You probably can't hear it, but it's playing Hell's Bells right now. It also works by saying the album name. So let's try some Nirvana. Let's see, here we go. Media Center, play Nevermind. Alright, we'll see if it picked it up.
Playing
okay,
album Nevermind.
Alright, so there's the album art, and that's really hard to see. It's kind of dark in here with a bright screen, but hopefully you can hear it, so it proves that I'm not really making all this up. So anyway, I just wanted to post this. I'd like to see if anybody's interested in maybe pitching in and help them out. Like I said, I'm really a coding novice, and I just want to learn and build my skills a little bit. So if any of you guys are out there that are new to this, that just want to learn, or maybe some seasoned professionals that just want an extra project on the side, or maybe somewhere in between that maybe you want to just help me out because you feel like helping me out, that'd be cool. Hit me up, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch my little demo here. Thank you.